be looking. So hello dope people, today we have this new Benelli Imperiale 400 with us. So today we'll be looking out the three things of this bike. One will be looking out the short city ride mileage test and the specifications of this bike, and we'll be looking out the short like braking test and the acceleration test. So this bike ran around like 1346 kilometers. First we'll be doing the mileage test of this bike, so that I have 1 liter of petrol with me, so that I'll be filling it full, so that we'll be checking out mileage test for 1 liter of petrol, like how much it will be giving. The company has claimed like this bike will give around like 30 kilometer mileage, and we'll be checking out exact how much mileage it will be giving. This bike is completely like it's not fueled, it's like the fuel is empty, and we'll be filling out this 1 liter of petrol with us, so that we'll be checking out the exact mileage specifications of so that we'll be filling out full. So we'll be filling out fuel with this completely. So we'll be looking out the exhaust note for this bike. You can see the exhaust sound. We'll be checking out the height. My height is like 5'10", and this bike is like pretty good. This bike will be suitable for short people and as well as the long people. Okay. And this is a 5-speed gearbox. We'll be taking this out for a ride now. Wow, this bike feels so smooth. You don't feel any sort of vibration in this. You can see, and the view is so great, perfect in this bike. The bike view is so perfect. This is a big smooth bike which feels so smooth, and I rode like a classic 350 and Java, and this engine feels similar to Java. Out the power, crazy man, this is crazy. And this is Benelli's retro version. You can see completely feels retro. So we'll be doing a braking test, like how it does. Oh, there is an amp. Wow, the brake performs really well. Okay, we look some things, specifications of this bike. So we looking out the instrument cluster. This is a tachometer and this is a speed meter. You can see the time and as well as the odometer. You can set the trips and you can reset the time here. It indicates the gear, and there is a fuel over there. And you can see this is the adjustable brake. You can just adjust the brake like for your needs, and this is not adjustable. You can see there is an headlamps and indicators and the horn, and this is like a pass light, and this is the pass light, and this is the kill switch, and this is the start X button. So So we'll just have a small walk around with this bike. You can see how it looks, and this bike in black color looks so gorgeous. There are 3 color variants in this. One is the black color, the silver, and the red one. Okay, I'm really impressed with this bike. You can see this is not the LED lights. You will be getting the halogen lights. You can see this is the same retro style. You can see here lights, and there are 2 guards. One is this one and this one. Oh, feel much heat. Okay, you can see the back view, and it's like a feel. You can see the back view. You can see the retro version of this bike, and these are the halogen lights, and the tail light is like new thing. You can see, and there are sari guards. Okay, the pillion. How is the pillion comfortability? You can see the pillion comfortable is really good, and for long ride tourings and all, this is one of the best bike I say. And this bike on road price is like 2,15,000 in Bangalore showroom price, and this is ABS, and this is 41mm telescopic forks, and it is the adjustable 2-side adjustable race suspension, like 374cc, which produces like 27 HP at 5,500 RPM and 29 Nm at 4,500 RPM. And this bike feels really good. You can see how the look is. It's really a good, man. It's really good, and you can see the foot pegs, or the quality is really good. The metal quality, and you can see this line symbols Benelli, and the paint quality is really good in this bike. It looks premium. Yes. Okay, we'll just take a ride with this bike. This is somewhat like straight road. You can check out the acceleration. Wow. And the suspension is really good in this bike. There are no any sort of vibrations you can see in this bike. We'll do the braking test. Wow, the brake performs really well. I did a good job in this. In this traffic also, you don't feel much of heat passing through your legs, and this bike is big comfortable in the city as well, and it will be more comfortable in highway. This bike will suit the Indian roads, man. You can see the roads. You can't see the proper roads anywhere in the city. You'll be finding it a bit less where you can find the proper roads here. Only you can see the potholes everywhere. So only you can see the potholes area because of this metro construction. The road is becoming very worst in this. And the bike is stopping. Okay, So this bike gave around like rode around like so we have rode around like 32 kilometers, and this bike gave around like 32 kilometers per liter, and I can say this is a good bike. The seat is really comfortable. You don't feel much of ass burn in this. Though I rode around like 1 hour in the city, and this bike is perfect. You can buy this so overall, the fans of Benelli, you can buy this bike, Benelli Imperiale 400. This bike really impresses me. And see you all in next vlog. Bye.